Welcome to Alfonso Cajero, AI in Finance. Chapter 7, Forecast Sheet in Excel. In the AI in Finance series, the episode on creating a forecast sheet in Excel demonstrates how to leverage Excel's built-in tools to project future trends based on historical data. Forecast sheets are valuable for finance professionals to predict future values like sales, revenue, or expenses. Excel's forecast sheet feature simplifies this process by using advanced algorithms to generate predictions and visualize them in charts. To create a forecast sheet, you begin by selecting your historical data, including the timeline and the values to be forecasted. Excel then uses this data to calculate future values and presents them in a new worksheet along with confidence intervals, which indicate the range within which future values are likely to fall. This feature not only makes forecasting accessible to users with limited statistical knowledge, but also provides a visual representation that helps in understanding and presenting the forecast. This episode covers the step-by-step process of setting up a forecast sheet, from data selection to customizing forecast options like seasonality and confidence intervals. By integrating AI and machine learning techniques, Excel's forecast sheet provides a powerful tool for financial planning and decision-making, enabling professionals to make informed predictions with ease.